The GAMDIAS ATX Gaming Case offers a spacious interior, supporting liquid cooling radiators up to 240 millimeters and graphics cards up to 340 millimeters long, making it ideal for high-performance gaming setups. With excellent airflow capabilities, this case can accommodate multiple fans and all-in-one coolers, ensuring your system remains cool even during intense gaming sessions. The innovative front panel design combines RGB lighting with a sleek matte and glossy finish, providing a unique and elegant appearance to your gaming rig. This case offers great expandability with multiple hard drive cages and trays, as well as support for various motherboard sizes, giving builders flexibility in customizing their systems. The inclusion of a PSU shroud and magnetic dust filter not only enhances the case's aesthetics, but also simplifies cable management and maintenance. Compatibility with major motherboard brands and synchronization with their lighting systems adds another layer of customization to your build.